guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we have one project in front of us, and that is my pantry. Now, we have only been living here for a couple months, and honestly, my goal was simply just to get things out and in front of us so that we can use it. But it is getting to be so chaotic, and unfortunately it's kind of one of those rooms where it's the last ditch effort. I don't really come in here thinking I want to look pretty or make it look aesthetic or Pinterest like. I'm looking at this thinking I really want this to be easy for everyone in the family to come in, pick what they need, and for it to stay somewhat organized. So I kind of draft up a plan of the things that I want to do in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I execute that. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm actually going to be doing is I grab the trash bag and I'm gonna go ahead and just look for expired things that are empty, things that shouldn't be in here, and get everything out. Okay, so I am going into this area right here now, and this really should be an area reachable for my little one. He likes to have access to his cereal, and so I want to make it so that it's easy for him to kind of see what everything is, and I'll just refill the ones that are empty and then make room for things that he should have access to. So far I filled up one full bag of empty bags, empty boxes, expired food. So we're gonna go now to the next side, and then we're gonna work at the bottom stuff. The bottom is getting really out of hand. Like, I don't know what any of this is. There's balloons, there's decorations, there's Christmas decorations, there's empty like reusable bags. So it needs to be cleared up because it's getting really, really out of hand. So let's get to it. Okay, so I finally got this wall organized. I have some of the appliances that I don't have room for in the kitchen. I have more organized setup. I do have to label these because I need to know what everything is in there. I ended up opting out for something like this for cans. I got these from Walmart. They are the mainstay. I found a lot of good things from Walmart when it comes to organizing. I'll link the direct link for my storefront, which I've been saving everything in there for you guys. On this side, I lazy Susan'd it on everything because I can see it, which is nice. And then right here with the cereals, we're doing really good. Let me show you guys the floor. These containers had nothing to do with the pantry. I don't understand why they were in here. And I should say, I know why they're in here. I just kind of shoved everything in here, maybe in the whim of like parties and holidays and everything like that. So now it's time to get everything out. I have some trash bags. I have my reusable bags that I'm going to go ahead and organize. And then I'm going to clean this floor up and figure out what to do with the doggy food and the rice container. They're pretty big containers, but I use them a lot because we go through rice a lot, and it's really nice to have that there. So we're almost there. Oh my gosh, you can see the floor now.